If you could remember, I made a video about this platform some days ago, and the name of this app is honeygain. And all you just have to do in order to be earning on this platform is just for you to leave it running and then make use of your data. Enter your WhatsApp, your Facebook, download things, just make use of your normal data. And you can see from here, I told you that I was having half a dollar, that's $0.5 as of the last video. But you can see right now how much I am having. I am now having $1.24 right now, just for leaving this app to run and then making use of my internet and browsing accessibility. So all you just have to do is to register via the first link on the description section of this video. This is it about this platform. You don't need to invest anything, but you are going to just make your cool cash all for free. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you give this video a like. Make sure you join our social handles, WhatsApp and Telegram, on the description section of this video, and see you in my next video.